Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix can't type in the search bar on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. You just need to open up a file explorer, go to this PC, local disk C, Windows folder and search for System32. Just double click on it and search for CTF Moon. Just right click on this application and select show more options and select send it to and select desktop create shortcut, and after that you just need to close Software and press any keyboard Windows key and R key together to open up run. Now you just need to check my video description for this run command used in my video. Just copy and paste it over here, and after pasting it click on OK to open up. In this folder you just need to drag this CTF Moon shortcut to this folder and select continue, and after that just close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC your problem should be fixed guys. That's it for today's video. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.